Did you know that pollution is
a bigger problem than you think?
It spreads and spreads and spreads and spreads.
Now C.L.A.W is here and we can help.
My name is Alex and I am an agent from C.L.A.W. C.L.A.W is the control of land, air, and water pollution.
Group that has developed 2 prototype drones for cleaning up air and land pollution.
These are not the drones that you've been seeing on the news.
First, we're going to talk about our air drone. The air drone that picks up plastic bags and other trash uses a claw, a magnet, 2 propellers, and a trash bag. It also flies to places that are hard to get to.
If the trash on the ground is too heavy, then it has a sensor which can record the place that the trash was. So then we could use the ground drone to pick up heavy trash that the air drone couldn't lift.
The air drone also has an air purifier to genuinely clean up the air while it flies around. We are going to tell you about our second drone, the land drone. Because some trash is embedded in the ground, there are nets on the sides so if the scooper goes near it, it can dig the trash out of the ground.
Then the nets get the trash. There is also a bucket in the back for extra storage. There will also be cameras so a human at C.L.A.W HQ can guide it.
We will sort the trash into trash and recyclables. It is colorful so people don't step on it.
Carbon in the air right now is 418 parts per million. Countless scientists, climate experts, and government officials agree that 350 parts per million is the safe level of carbon dioxide. As you can see, we are really over the safe limit.
Emissions of air pollutions continue to play an important role in a number of air quality issues. In 2023, about 66 million tons of pollution were emitted into the atmosphere of the United States.
4.4 pounds per person is littered each day.
There are still 50 billion pieces of litter on the ground in America.
In the future, we plan to make a drone that'll collect garbage in the oceans, lakes, and rivers. Stay tuned.